our guests on the invitation of our chair, Sarah Skidaka, who is the chair of Kirinyaga Council of Elders. Today they had invited the Njuri Ncheke for a meeting of a cultural exchange. And so I was coming just as a special guest to welcome them, and we're very happy to be here. We all know, as we say, mwachamila ni mtumwa. Sisi, we're encouraging as a county government of Kirinyaga very much. That is why we are here. And so it's not a ceremony. It is just an exchange of culture, which we want to encourage as a county so that we can have cultural exchanges between different elders. You can have, today we'll have Njuri Ncheke. Next time we will probably have elders coming from Kisii, then we'll have elders coming maybe from Northeastern, we'll have elders coming from Luo Nyanza, we'll have coast elders coming. So today was one of the first exchanges between the Njuri Ncheke and the Kirinyaga Council of Elders, where they meet and share what is your culture in this matter, what is the culture, and therefore share progressive cultures. Previously we had cultures that were not very progressive, for example, such as the FPA, and as we've gone along in these conversations, they have been embraced that there are certain cultures that we need to put aside. And so in the exchange of cultures, we put aside cultures that are not useful, and then we are left upholding those cultures that are important. So it's more a cultural exchange program and sharing program that the county government of Kirinyaga under the Department of Social and Cultural Services intends to continue to support.